Okie dokie, I think we're live. Okay. Welcome, everybody. First things first, I'm gonna pin a comment in the chat here for the Discord link. I think that's it. Yep. Okay, that's our Discord link. Do I need to? Okay, I'm gonna pin this message. Okay. Perfect. We're ready. I'm gonna share this thing on social, and we'll get started. Hope everybody's having a great Friday. I know I am. Play video games. I don't know, I'm taking this channel a different direction, so I may live stream. I'm trying to see what works and what doesn't, so that's why I want to have that Discord community. I want to see, I want to talk about that. Let's see. Trying to get this video. Trying to find my video. Let me see. Is it on? Alright. I might need to share it differently here. Okay. So we got one person watching. Hello. So, okay. I have to share the thing on social first. But while I do that, I will start sort of talking about what we're doing here. So, basically, we're gonna have a Discord. It's a new page thing where basically you can connect with me and with all the other Blind Power subscribers. Theoretically, we can all communicate. Not theoretically, we can actually all communicate and have a good time and basically get ideas and all that good stuff. I'm trying to figure out why this live stream's not showing, I think. 20 views streamed 2 days ago. What the heck's going on? Let's see. Okay. I'm still figuring out what's going on here with the live stream. So bear with me. Trying to figure out why it's not showing. It says that one person's watching, but I cannot find it so that I can share it on social, which is interesting. Okay. Okay, so I'm gonna, I guess, start talking. So this Discord thing that we have is basically going to make it so that we can all communicate together. And essentially just so that, I can get an idea of what, video requests and stuff, because these live streams are so productive, but I also want a direct communication. Oh, no wonder. Public. Done. Save. Okay, there we are. I think, I don't know how, it says that there's current viewers, one viewer, but I don't know how you're watching, because it was set to private by default. Maybe it's my own computer, I don't know. Weird, but it is what it is. So we're going to talk about a good amount of stuff today. I'm excited. I like these live streams because lately I just don't feel like video editing, and I need to basically produce good content. There it is. Okay. I see it now. Now let me share this. And we can get started. So, the life updates I'm going to talk about today is various to many things. My life, business related, because I do have some businesses and some stuff that I want to talk about, because I'm kind of all over the place. I'm doing all sorts of stuff at once to see what hits it and what works. Ideally, my apps that I make independently in my YouTube channel is kind of what I want to work, but I'm also looking for a full-time job so that I can get things going and I can start making some kind of income, because I was on the right path, and then the current global thing happened. Come join me while we talk about tech, life, and our new Discord server. Okay, there it is. Come join me while we talk about tech, life, and our new Discord. Okay, perfect. Alrighty. I think this, it should be fun. Alright. Well, I think we can get started on this. First things first, I have pinned a link. You click that link, and it takes you to Discord. And then there, I can basically, you will see a request. You'll be sent to Discord, and you're in my group. As long as you have a verified email, you should be good to go. So what is Discord, first of all? Discord is a chat group type of thing, kind of like Signal or Telegram, except more diverse. Think of it like as a Slack. It's like a Slack but for gamers. It's a way to have like groups within groups type of thing. You have a community, and then inside of the community there's groups. And the beauty of that is that you guys can communicate with me directly in the all the different groups, but we also have like a general group for general conversation. Requests and support type of thing. So requests and let me show you. Let me tell you about it. Hold on. So we have general, we have events, we have ideas and feedback. Those are the three that we have: general, events, and ideas and feedback. Events is where I'm gonna post like, new video type of thing. Welcome to the welcome at rules. Okay, so the rules thing. So I'm gonna go into the general text channel. So there's text channel. There is there's hashtags. Okay, this changed a little bit since I used it last, but basically it's all set to go. You'll be able to communicate with me directly on Discord. The link is pinned there. Hello. I saw that one person just joined. You basically go to the comments and you should see a Discord link. There, you'll be able to join the Discord server. It'll have you sign up to Discord if you haven't already, and you will basically join. And it's kind of a community where there's all sorts of groups inside. There's general, there's events, and then there's suggestions and feedback, and we can all communicate through there. And I'll basically say, hey, I'm doing a live stream, or kind of, I want to start playing around with my channel. And I was like, oh, blind power is strictly going to be accessibility and tech, but now I'm considering expanding a little bit. I think besides accessibility and tech, I think I'm also going to make a little bit about pretty much anything I want to upload. Of course, I'm a tech person, and I'm a visually impaired person, so everything is going to be tech and accessibility. Just content's going to be more and a wider variable. So I'm excited for these things that are coming up on the channel. So yeah, Discord's going to be great. We can all bounce ideas on there. I tried to do a video where I think Discord would have been perfect. I had a video idea in December, and I made a video. Please send me, and I had all the instructions in the description. Send me the video link for your 30-second thing. And I had this idea. I'm like, okay, send me a 30-second clip, and I'll put it on, and I'll do this compilation of top tech for 2020. Nobody sent anything. I think that was because there's no platform where I can talk to you guys directly. Generally, the main communication is like Twitter and these live streams, which are new. I wasn't even doing these live streams before. So it is what it is. But now we're going to experiment a little bit with different types of content. Alright, and the next thing besides the Discord, if anybody coming in and joining and wondering what Discord is, I'll repeat myself on the Discord thing. But I can see how many people join, and I'll be able to say, okay, here, one more person joined. Hello, new person who joined. I can see the numbers incrementing, so that's why I can see when someone joined. Welcome. We have a Discord server, basically somewhere where you can communicate with me and other fans of the channel. The link is in the chat or in the description, whichever one's easier for you. Okay, the person left again, I guess. It is what it is. But yeah, they can join on that link. Okay, so I guess I'll get started on talking about the app, Amesis, the social media app for people with disabilities. And the part that I'm very excited for in this early first quarter of 2021, kind of first quarter, maybe second quarter, is the app Amesis is going to get a big update. So Amesis is going to have a dating feature, and the web version of Amesis is going to be coming out as well. That's going to be for end of quarter one, early quarter two of 2021. So basically March, April, around there. I have two developers, one working on the web, one working on the mobile app. Because I'm focusing on the other parts of the app, on the business side of things. Currently, I'm working on getting some kind of ad campaign so that we can start campaigning. Right when that update is launched, I'm gonna launch some ad campaigns, and we're gonna get users increasing again. I think the 1.2, 1.3 release, it's the beginning, so it's a little rough. But this update coming up, which is, I think I'm gonna skip to version 1.5. This update is going to have the dating feature on iOS and Android. There's going to be some UI redesigns, and we're going to be improving on a lot of things. There's a password issue that I know some people have complained about, but we're a small team, so we can only get to certain things at a time. It's tough. The next part is we're going to have the web version. The web version is going to be available probably around the same time frame, March or April. The developer, he's making steady progress, both of them. It's slow but steady, these are all new graduates or current graduates in college, so I always I like to hire people in college or people because I like to give them opportunities that I don't have, basically. Like, as somebody who currently can have these people working for my company, for Amethyst Social, I want them to have this opportunity that I wish somebody would have given me. But yeah, they're doing pretty good. They have a good progress. If you're part of the Amethyst Slack group of testers, they're on the community and they've said hi here and there. But yeah, we're gonna get that nice update in late quarter 1, early quarter 2. So I'm excited for that. I think that's gonna be a huge leap forward in the aspect of the Amethyst, and it's gonna have in-app purchases, so that way it's bringing in some revenue, and then once there's some revenue, then I'll be able to go ahead and do some more stuff like the accessibility first job board on Amethyst, and all these cool ideas that I have in my brain. That's going to be that. And currently with Amethyst, there's some awesome stuff happening. I can't wait. I have people interested in the business side of things, and there's plenty of people who want to jump on board, but I told them that once Amethyst can officially handle more employees, we'll be able to start bringing people in and kind of building out this community of people with disabilities, that basically it's an app for people with disabilities by people with disabilities. That's the whole point. So I'm excited for that, to have that, to say, oh, we have a team of 5, 10, 15, 20 people. We're a good sized business, but right now it's only a team of 3, me and the 2 developers, which is, it's great. We're making good progress. Sometimes I'm like, oh, we submit an update or we submit changes. Okay, I need to find sometimes I need to find a legal team to ask questions to and stuff, and I'll do that. But it's a learning process, and I'm excited to see what comes in the next update of Amethyst, that dating feature, quarter 1, end of quarter 1, early to mid quarter 2. That's that. The next thing I guess I want to talk about is what is the next thing I want to talk about? So the next thing I wanted to talk about is that I actually sold my first app. I mean, not sold to like a customer. I mean, sold to another developer. Skate Roulette, an app that I've been using. This isn't a disability related thing, but I figured I'd mention it. It's an interesting experience selling an app. So that's the app that brought me the least amount of revenue last year, and I sold it for a low but decent amount of money, because the app wasn't bringing really anything in. It was just kind of sitting there, and the user base was 50 active daily users, and it wasn't enough. And I just didn't feel like supporting that app. It's not very future proofing. And that's that. And the last thing of the app development thing in my life is that the Bump Braille Learn app has a huge leap. It took 501 downloads on December. Was it? Yeah, it was December between the 14th and the 17th. One of those days, I forget. It was around mid-December. One day, 501 downloads. I asked on Twitter, does anybody know what happened? Everybody was like, no reply. Nobody knew what the heck was going on. But my app Bump Umbrella Learn got 501 downloads the same day. The last time I saw that downloads was when Double Tap Canada spoke about my app, about Bump Umbrella Learn in early 2019. I think it was early 2019. Man, it was about somewhere in 2019. Maybe 2020. Early 2020, 2019, somewhere in there. Time's kind of weird because of this whole thing. But when Double Tap Canada spoke about my app, I think I got about 1,000 user boost, like 1,000 something users in a day, like 1,000 downloads in a day, and that was incredible. I think it was 1,111 downloads. And then all of a sudden, one day in mid-December, 501 downloads for no apparent reason. I was looking in Google. I came up with some articles on my app, but none of them were dated for 2020, December of 2020. That was weird, but I still thank everybody for their support on the app. That app is the one that basically brings me the most revenue. And we're going to improve it. I have some ideas for that are going to be really cool, but that I have to reach out to some Braille users as well to see if they're interested in participating in this at some point. But I don't know. Just a hint. I'm thinking about, no promises yet, but I'm thinking about adding video tutorials to the app. I'm excited because it makes it so that I can go, okay, letter A, welcome to, the Braille, Bump Umbrella Learn. Letter A is dots 1, and an explanation on the keyboard, on like the Braille, the Brailler, and like the layout, and just kind of like a video part of the app. And that's going to be a paid thing. And the person that I have record that, I'll have to come up with something for payment for that person. But I have ideas that are in my head for that. That app is going to get big. And a lot of times when I'm talking to you guys is when I get these ideas. When I'm talking about accessibility, I'm like, oh, I can add this to my app. And that basically came up because I was like, wait, I have almost 1,000 subscribers on YouTube. You know what? Why don't I do the same with the Braille app? Why don't I, instead of YouTube, it's going to be my own custom thing. And it'll be a paid thing, which is going to be fun. Okay. So we have, let's see. So basically, that's that part. I'll see you guys on Discord. Keep in mind the Discord server is always going to be in the description of every video, and it's in the chat right now. So I'm excited for that, so that we can all start interacting. I'm probably going to post it straight on Twitter as well, so that anybody who's interested can go ahead and check it out. Let's see. Yeah. All right. I think. Let's see. What else can we talk about? Because this video has, it's a bit short. Let's see. What else? Well, I guess we'll talk about the Consumer Electronics Show as well. I'm kind of disappointed on the Consumer Electronics Show, everybody. I'm at the point where I'm so used to all this media coverage that I'm like, where's the media coverage that I'm so used to? Where I'm so used to the media coverage being able to see, oh, there's this amount of coverage, this amount of people are in the conference. Let's see what they're talking about. Oh, CNET. Oh, The Verge. Justine. Unbox Therapy. All these people. Let's see what they're talking about. It's been radio silent this year. I mean, it's crazy. Like, there's things from big companies, but the companies that here at Blind Power, the companies that we're interested in, like the companies that I feel I need to support, is those accessibility companies. And I haven't found many. I mean, the only accessibility thing that I found so far was when Samsung mentioned a screen reader that they're coming up with, which is it's that something Air. It's basically a voice screen reader thing that Samsung did. They didn't even take the time to describe it. It was at the end, like, oh yeah, we have to add it in here so that the accessibility team doesn't get mad. Basically, like they're like, oh, we're gonna here's the whatever Air. It was a screen reader thing. I have to find it out. I have to look it up. But let's see, let's find it. But they barely briefed it over yesterday. Unpacked 2021 screen reader update. I think there was a segment on here. Yeah, see, it was editor Galaxy Unpacked 2021 is official. No, where's that thing? Samsung Galaxy S21 launch recap. Yeah, including talkback. Huh. Yeah, it looks like they're not mentioning it. Like, they're mentioning talkback. I said talkback. Yeah, see, talkback. That means more Google developed features are on the Galaxy S21, including talkback. Oh, okay, that's what they were mentioning by the talkback thing in the conference. So basically, yeah, they said that talkback is going to be coming back, like the stock Google talkback, and a lot more Google features are going to be built in. Samsung's not going to have to reskin a lot of Google stuff and basically ruin them. So that's nice. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next live stream. So far, we're averaging about 2 views per stream. So I've got to figure out, and then I got to figure out, I got to do like a talking head video and see if that does better. I don't know. We'll see. This is all experimental. We're all trying to figure out the best way to do these videos. I'm trying to figure out what videos you guys like the most. So stay tuned for more interesting, different, and a lot of talking head content, hopefully. I'll see you in the next live stream. And don't forget to go on Slack. I mean, not Slack, on Discord. Don't forget to go on Discord. The link is in the description and in the chat. See you on Discord.